Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Stripe billing for subscriptions in no-code apps, full guide step by step clearly. To install Stripe billing for subscriptions in no-code apps, begin by creating a Stripe account. If you visit the Stripe website and click on Start Now to sign up. Fill in the required fields, including your email address and password. Verify your email address by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Once logged in, navigate to the Products section in the Stripe dashboard. Click on Add Product to create a new subscription product. Enter the product name, description, and other relevant details. For pricing, select Standard Pricing and set your recurring price options. Choose the billing interval, whether it's monthly, yearly, or other options. Save the product details to finalize your subscription product setup. Next, go to the Developers section in the dashboard to access your API keys. Copy your publishable key and secret key as you'll need these later. Now, choose your no-code platform where you want to integrate Stripe. Open the project or app where you want to add the subscription feature. Look for a payment or external services option within your no-code platform. Locate the integration settings for Stripe and paste your publishable key. In the backend settings, include your secret key for secure operations. Create a new workflow or action to handle subscription signups in your app. Design a subscription signup form for users to enter their details. Include fields for payment information and any user-related data required. Connect the form to a workflow that integrates with Stripe for payment processing. After submission, ensure the user is redirected to a confirmation or success page. Test the integration by creating a test product in Stripe if your no-code platform allows it. Use Stripe's test credit card details to simulate a subscription sign-up. Check the Stripe dashboard to verify that the test subscription was successfully created. Adjust settings and workflows as necessary based on your testing results. Launch your app and monitor user feedback to ensure the subscription process works smoothly. End of instructions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.